Yo, this is what I got in the mail from Uni-ball. Got a sticker there. Got this little card also. Thanks for purchasing. So here are the two pins side by side. This is the Uni-ball Zento Flow. It's the light blue color with the 0.38 millimeter tip with black ink. And then this is the Uni-ball Zento, I guess the basic. And this is a medium point, 0.7 millimeters. And this is, it's called the Coastal colorway. This one was $15. Has a little bit of it's like a little bit of a metal case there. And this was $209. So total 17 bucks for two pins directly from Uni-ball. They've been selling out pretty quickly, at least that I've seen. And I just wanted to try it out. I typically use the Pilot G2 ink, the 0.38 millimeter in blue. This is just a standard plastic pen, but I usually take the insert out and I put it in the Big Idea Designs, the Click EDC pen. This works really well in there. This is a Cerakote green, like army green color. I love that it has a little bit of texture. It's really comfortable writing. So this is typically what I use in like my smaller journal, but lately I've been kind of going through different pens, so it hasn't been getting as much use, but for a long time this was my main pen. As you can see, it's pretty worn, and I actually like that. It gives it a Boba Fett worn look. So that's typically what I write with. I also have the Uni-ball One, but I was really intrigued on the new ink technology and how, you know, it dries faster. It kind of removes some of that ghosting that this pen has. So I decided to kind of jump in and try these out. So I have my trusty little scratch pad here. It's first time writing with the Zento Flow. Okay, that feels really, really nice. I think here I just kind of let up on the pin. Cool. So let me compare that to the Uni-ball One, since this should be a big upgrade. I will say the Zento Flow does feel a lot smoother. Let me try this Pilot G2. Yeah, even right smoother than that. This feels a little bit scratchy now in comparison to the Flow. Let's try I guess the basic. This is not a apples to apples comparison because this is a thicker nib, 0.7 millimeters, but oh wow. It's pretty chunky. But I actually like it. It feels really nice. Very, very cool. Okay. Was not expecting that. I actually like that a lot. This one feels really comfortable in hand. It has a little bit of a soft, gummy look, and I guess I'm already seeing that it's picking up some lint, so be interested to see how long that stays clean, especially going in and out of bags and stuff like that. Cool, so we went through that full gambit. I'm gonna put this up. One thing that I do like to do is back of this notebook, which I'm almost done now. Isn't this one? No, it's not this one. Sorry, wrong notebook. Sometimes the issue with having too many notebooks, you don't know. Yeah. No, I guess you don't remember where you put everything. This is the one. I'm almost done with both of my notebooks, so maybe that's why I thought it was that one. So I typically like to write with different pens, what the point is, what the nib is, and the type of ink, and then just kind of like some lines. So that's why I've kind of was doing that in my little trusty notebook here. Let me punch in a little bit and I'll show you some examples and how it compares to some other inks here. Yeah, I'm not super technical. You know, I just know what I like, and I know what feels comfortable in writing. This feels a lot smoother than writing with the Pilot G2, and even with the Uni-ball One here. But that it just feels a lot smoother. I do feel like it's a lot crisper. Let's put the chunky boy out here. I'm actually really digging this one. I do like that. This would be more of an accent thing. I definitely couldn't write day to day in my journals with this. Wow, I'm really surprised with the quality there of the pens. You know, again, for 14 bucks, 15 bucks, shipped, free shipping from Uni-ball. I'm really impressed with this. So this was, you know, a little bit of a first impressions type thing. I will try it out on different papers. Let's try it here on this. This is the Travelers Company. I'm gonna just kind of riff and just write here because this is my only notebook with that ivory paper. Just initial thoughts. This chunky boy here, probably still just stay in the office. It is very chunky, so you can see here. And just for the type of writing I do, I don't know if that will work. I probably run out of paper too fast if I'm using that. So, but you know, for $2, I'm not mad at it, and I'll still continue to use it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show my first impressions of these Zento pens. I'm very impressed with them so far. Liked about the Pilot G2 it was just so available, which is really reliable for me. But this might get knocked off by the Zento Flow ink. So anyways, let me know if you've tried this before, or if you have any other recommendations on pens I should try. Thanks for watching. Peace.